Hello, Livia here with Applied Psychology for Yogis, and I'm going to share a term with you that we're going to actually cover in the newest course that I'm offering called Essential Terms of Psychology Every Yoga Teacher Should Know. So there is a term in the realm field of psychology called the zone of proximal development. And the zone of proximal development is a term around developmental psychology about how people learn and how to optimize learning. So, as yoga teachers, we want to make sure that in our classes we are actually optimizing our students' learning so that they learn yoga or learn something about yoga or learn an action, learn a pose, learn a concept that we're trying to teach. Well, guess what? If it's too easy, it's going to they're not going to learn it. If it's too hard, they're not going to learn it. But when you hit right in that specific zone of their development, you know what? It's going to land for them, it's going to be meaningful for them, and they're going to come back because they're learning something. They're not just experiencing something, they're learning something that has meaning for them and they can take it home and grow from there. So the zone of proximal development, we'll talk about this term, its origin, what it means, and how we can apply it as yoga teachers. We want to be able to meet the vast majority of our students in their zone of proximal development, whether it's 5 students, 10 students, 20 students, 50 students, 100 students. I'm going to go out on a limb here and say, as teachers, it's our responsibility to actually teach and to hit people in there or meet people in their zone of proximal development so that they can actually carry on the teachings and make it their own, yeah? So if you are intrigued by this post at all, please like it, comment on it, share this with someone that you think it would be interesting to, and of course, join us in our course. The course is going to be January 6th through 23rd, and it meets twice a week, so it's a little intense, but we kind of like that over here in Applied Psychology for Yogis. And I really hope you join us. I'll be teaching the whole course, and it's going to be really informative and really applicable to both you as a teacher, a student, a practitioner. These are all things that are already happening in your brain, your body, in the space between us, and we just want to illuminate them, elicit them, and make them more overt so that we can use them to our greatest asset. So the zone of proximal development, let's go there and flush that out and really help support our students even more than we are. Okay.